It would be an incomparable privilege to earn the support of the Senate and to play a role in this essential effort, one on which our common security and common humanity depend. Thank you.
She's unconventional, and that makes her incomparable. With nearly 60 years of a reign as one of the most celebrated stars in movie history to prove it. The naturalists and industrialists and politicians who dreamt up our system of public lands and waters did so in the hope that by keeping these places, these special places, in trust, places of incomparable beauty, places where our history was written, then future generations would value those places the same way as we did.